In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera scan documents on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the camera app, and in here, you want to tap on the settings button at the top. Next, tap on Scene Optimizer. Now you want to turn on Scene Optimizer, and after that you can choose to turn on or turn off the Scan Documents feature. So that when the rear camera detects a document, it shows a button to scan it without distortion. So let's give it a try now. So let's say I want to scan this piece of paper right here, this document, and if it detects this is a document, it will offer you to scan. So nothing so yet, nothing so far. Maybe it couldn't detect. So here it shows tap to scan. So basically you tap on that button, you scan the document and give it a few seconds. And in here you can readjust the handle. So you want to set the area to capture the document, and then tap on saved. And that's it. So you can see here now it saved the document in a proper square shape. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.